If one of the things that is stopping you from opening a zero balance account in UAE is difficult in account opening process, these 10 easy steps will help you to open your Mashreq Neo Savings account in just 2 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Nick. If you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. Without wasting any time, let us start by downloading the Mashreq app and go to step number 1. At the bottom of the screen, click on Become a Customer. And then this new window will be opened. All you have to do is tap on Apply for an account. And again, tap on this button here, Get Started. That brings us to step number 2. Enter your details and tap on the next button to receive an OTP via SMS. You will also be required to enter your email address and a promo code, which is optional. So, step number 3, verify your mobile number by submitting the OTP that has been sent to you. Once your mobile number is verified, we'll move to the most important step, which is number 4. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe if you want more content like this. You have to carefully follow these steps and then upload your Emirates ID, both the front side and the back side. As you can see on the screen, we have a few options here. We can scan it right now, or even upload a photo from our gallery, or browse and upload it as a file. So now we have uploaded our Emirates ID. Let us tap next and move to step number 5. And here your personal information will be revealed, such as your name, your Emirates ID, and your nationality. All you have to do is input your names as they are on your passport. Avoid any delays in your account activation. Please ensure that your names are typed correctly as they are on your passport, and then tap next. Step number 6 is identity authentication with the face scan. Please tap on the checkbox to give your consent. Then click on the open camera button at the bottom of your screen. Then adjust your phone until the light at your screen turns green. Please stay still for a few moments. Follow the instructions on your screen, and that brings us to step number 7. Proceed to fill in your employment details, that is your salary. Select your account type. As you can see, we have Al Salami current account, the Neo current account, Al Salami savings account, and the Neo savings account. You can select the Neo Savings account or even select the Al Salami Savings account. And here are the highlights of the benefits you will get. Most importantly, the Al Salami Savings account will be a zero balance account if you choose to transfer your salary to this account. You won't be charged any fee as long as your salary keeps on coming in through this account every month. But if that's not the case, there might be a fee of around 20 dirhams in case your balance falls below 3,000 every month. So, let's move to step number 9. Answer the following questions. Select the tab box and tap next. Again, fill in all your address details and tap next. On our final step, we need to create a username and a password that we're going to use to manage our Mashreq Neo account. Enter your desired username, hit the like button, subscribe, and then tap Create Password. Follow the guidelines to create a unique password and then tap Next. By the way, if you are not interested in transferring your salary to the Mashreq Neo but still want to create a zero balance account, the best option for you is the ADCB zero balance account. Without transferring your salary, watch this video here to create your ADCB zero balance account in just 3 minutes. Thank you.